Hello. Is that real? What new hairstyle? Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Well, comment after, I guess. But do that. Today, in this video, I wanted to do a kind of corner area, a little separate area from this, because I feel like this is nice, but I want something a little more cozy, intimate, a little more of a different background, different tone for different things. So I hope you enjoy. Hope you like I said, like, subscribe, comment. So these are the card collections I got from AliExpress, and there are a few different themes, different kind of aesthetics, and it comes with these cute little stickers, so you can like stick it up and it looks cute, little dots. Aesthetically pleasing. I got these little shelves from AliExpress and realized one of them was cracked and it was too late for me to do a dispute, but I added some glue, put it together. You can't even tell. So this is the wall I'm going to be putting everything on. I already did the vinyl wall video, so if you want to look at that, you can click on the link at the bottom and you'll see it. That took forever. Right now I'm organizing all the cards by color. What kind of, is it flowers, is it landscape, and I'm also separating some cards that have words on it. I also did this thing where I made sure there was a nice gap space in between, right in the corner, because this is where I'm mostly going to be sitting if I end up recording in this corner area. So I wanted to make sure nothing was being blocked by me. So I placed some of the things at different angles, nothing even, just kind of like, you know, just wanted to look like, oh, postcards from all over the world or something like that. Figured out later the cards dropping was going to be a problem, and I ended up using clear tape to secure it, and you can't even tell. So I didn't want to ruin how it looked, but it didn't at all. I thought at first adding more stickers was going to help. No, not at all. I'm listening to Sour the album. I honestly think it'll be album of the year next coming weeks. At this moment, I'm measuring all the shelves. I pretty much do the same drilling technique for the vinyl videos, measuring it out. I'm making sure they're 2 inches across from each other, but also 3 inches above each other. So a little step, like, you know, little doop, 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 going downwards. I did the small ones at the lowest point because I said if I do hit it, I'm more likely to hit the bigger circle shelf versus the small one, and I angled it so, because my bed is right under that. I didn't want to like slam my head one day waking up or something like that. So I drilled those in, and I was kind of satisfied. I was satisfied. They were a little crooked, but it was because, you know, sometimes when you get stuff from AliExpress, it's not really properly straight, or it's a little deformed shaped. You get your bang for your buck. This is me reinforcing the postcards, and these are my silk fake satin pillowcases from AliExpress. It's just the pillowcases, not the pillows. I use old pillows for that. And these are my circle little burgundy velvet pillows from Forever 21. Reorganize my vinyls to show how it would look when I get the rest of them in the mail. And this is my final result. I think it's cute. It's a lot going on, but I actually like what's going on. So I hope you liked it. It's a little different. It's a little not everyone's taste, because a lot of people like minimalism. I don't like maximalism, if I'm saying it right. If I had my own apartment, it would be different. Every room would look like a different thing. Not your whole house don't have to look like the same color scheme. No, sometimes you want a little eye candy, and I think that's it. It's just like plain over here, a little crazy over there. Anyway, while I'm babble on, I hope you liked the video. Any critiques, I love to hear. But yeah, this is not a very matchy, oh, this is too much kind of thing. Oh, it's like, it's pretty much what the theme of it is. Different textures, different colors, different things going on. So some people like it, some people won't. That's fine. I do. I like it. I like it a lot. But subscribe, comment. And I'm going to bed with the air conditioner on blast. And I realized I left the air conditioner on the whole time I was recording. Smooth, there we go. Smooth. Peace.